Most people think you need an iPhone to create an Apple ID. But what if I told you, you can do it easily from any device, even Android or your laptop?
Hey everyone, welcome back to Mendit Tech, your go-to channel for simple tech fixes and tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an Apple ID step by step. Whether you've just got a new iPhone or you're setting it up for the first time, this guide will make the process super easy.
Creating an Apple ID is simple. This guide will walk you through the process using a web browser. First, go to appleid.apple.com. This is the portal for your Apple account. Click Create Your Apple ID and fill in your details: name, country, and email. Your email is your Apple ID. Create a strong password. Verify your phone number and email with the codes Apple sends. Once verified, your Apple ID is created and ready for use.
If this video helped, like, subscribe, and share it. This is Ollie from Mendit Tech. Stay smart and techie.